Let's take another caller. We have Donna on the line. Hello, Donna.
Hi, Father Mitch. Thank you for taking my call.
Sure. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Baltimore, but I'm calling from the Outer Banks, from Duck, North Carolina.
Good to have you. And what is your question?
I was wondering if these fine gentlemen could draw a parallel between Saul Alinsky's motivation, his supposed love for the poor, and Bella Dodd's motivation, which supposedly also was love for the poor, and our beloved president's motivation for that same goal.
Well, first of all, who was Bella Dodd?
Bella Dodd is actually a very good friend of Lily von Hildebrand, Alice von Hildebrand, who's a very good friend of the network.
Yeah,
and she's
brought
in our
into
film.
the church by Archbishop Sheen.
Yeah, so Bella Dodd had been outside the church, and Archbishop Sheen brought her into the church.
She was
evangelized her.
one in the top leadership of the Communist Party USA, and in the 40s.
Right.
And the late 30s.
So she'd been a communist and therefore an atheist.
Yeah.
And Archbishop Sheen brought her into the faith.
Yes.
What's this got to do with this topic? How might that be parallel?
Well,
is the question that Donna's asking.
Her main effort was to recruit communists to the priesthood.
Recruit communists to the priesthood.
Yes, that's right.
That was kind of forbidden.
Yes, exactly.
You know, I mean, Pope Pius XI had written a wonderful letter against communism.
Exactly.
Why was she doing this?
Exactly.
Well,
to change it from the inside, to infiltrate with false ideas and to impart power to these men in order to get in leadership positions to affect change within the system.
And within the system of the church.
Yes, the system of the church, and to bring these socialistic ideas to virtually change the mindset of the clergy. And when she realized her horrible mistake, she actually wanted to go into hiding and into solitude to repent for her sins. And Bishop Sheen said, no, what I want you to do, I want you to tell your story. Go all over the country to tell your story. And she did.
Yes.